Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has officially stopped signing iOS 18.4 just over a week after launching iOS 18.4.1. As a result, users who have updated to iOS 18.4.1 can no longer downgrade to the earlier version. This move is standard procedure for Apple and is designed to prevent users from reinstalling outdated software. When a version is signed, it means Apple servers will approve its installation on an iPhone. And once a version is unsigned, it fails the server-side verification and can no longer be installed. It's worth pointing out that blocking downgrades ensures that users stay protected with the latest security patches and fixes. iOS 18.4.1 in particular addresses a wireless CarPlay bug and includes several important security updates, one of which patches a vulnerability that was being actively exploited. So if you haven't installed iOS 18.4.1 yet on your iPhone, it's strongly recommended to update now to keep your device secure and functioning properly.